Alright, we are going to find the slope of some tables, and we already know that slope is the change in y over the change in x. And remember, change is subtraction. Okay? Your algebra teachers will probably write it like this next year. Okay? And we can also see that as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is just subtracting two y values and two x values. I'm going to show you two different ways to do it, and you can choose any way that you like to find the slope. I don't care which way you do it, just as long as you are able to find the slope. So if we look at example 1, let's say we have the table, XY table. The x's are -3, -1, and 1, and our y values are -2, 1, and 4. We can see what happens as I go from -3 to -1. That is adding 2. From -1 to 1, we add 2. On the y side, -2 to 1 is adding 3. -1 to 4 is also adding 3. So remember, we have the change in y over the change in x, which will give me 3 over 2. That's positive. We can do it the other way, where we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we just choose two values. It does not matter which two that you decide to choose. So let's say I choose these two. We have my first xy, my second xy. So my y2 is 1 minus -2. You have to put that second negative sign. Over x2 is -1 minus x1, which is -3. 1 minus -2 is 3, and -1 minus 3 is +2. So we